Mimic Training Models had a request from a welfare rehabilitation centre in Cape Town to develop feeding models for the chicks they raise. They requested 2 species of cormorant and a Cape Gannet. They imprint on humans, so it's very important when feeding these chicks that they do not see the humans, and this is why these models work, because the chicks only see the models instead of the people's hands. I've developed this model so that the head is removable, so you can also use it as a feeding model, but also if you want to let it stand next to the cage or the chicks. If you need a model of a specific species or procedure, you are welcome to contact us.